everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my printer area here. And today I'm going to check out this thing here. It is the aluminum alloy adjustable notebook stand. So you'll see I have my computer here, and so I have a little stand to maybe make it a little higher and stuff. So let's check it out here. I'm going to move you guys over here to the corner and see if I can aim you down a little bit. Let's see if I loosen this. I think I can do it. Okay, so let's check this thing out. And it comes packed like this in a, there's nothing else in there. I'll stick that over there. And let's see what we got here. It's in a kind of a bubble wrap. They want to protect this little stand, I guess. Okay. And this is what it looks like here. So it's got little rubber feet on the bottom, which is nice. And then I guess it's adjustable up and down. Very tight, but I guess that's the idea, so it doesn't fall. So it goes like this, and then I'll put it down there, and then I can put my laptop on it. My laptop. And there it is. So there you go. You can see it's on the stand, and it seems to be very strong. I mean, I would have to really push it. I'd probably break the monitor before it actually went down because it was so hard to open. Sorry, it's a little dirty, but it seems pretty good. And so this is nice. So then if I wanted to use it as like a teleprompter or something, I could put it up there and have it way up high, or I could just lower it down and use it more comfortably just as a computer. So I really like this thing. It's pretty cool. And if I look at it here, it's nice. It's got the little rubber bottoms on the bottoms too, so it's not going to scratch it. And right here, all around it, so it's not going to scratch up. So you'll see when I put my laptop on here, even though my laptop's made of steel, it's not. It doesn't scratch, and it actually sticks to it, so it's not going to slide left or right. Sorry, it's on a little tripod here, but it's not going to slide either way. So this is pretty sweet. I'm just going to use this thing all the time now. And this is good too because I have another monitor that's taller, so I'll be able to like raise this up so they'll both be at the same height, and that's kind of cool. I may actually use an external keyboard and mouse, and then I can just have this thing up high. Man, so many different choices. It's pretty cool. So I like it. So it is the, let me get the box again here. Who's it by? It says laptop stand silver. That's kind of what it says on the barcode if you want to try to scan that and look it up. But I'll put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. I got it from Amazon. It says made for notebook. And it's the aluminum alloy adjustable notebook stand. So pretty sweet. A thumbs up for me. I like it. It seems really durable. And I guess you can fold it back up again like that. And it doesn't take up too much space. I'm not sure I'd want to put this in my laptop bag, but I guess you could if you wanted to take it with you somewhere, sit Starbucks or something like that and do it. I mean, it's small enough it would probably fit, like the size of a book. So if you had a laptop and a book in your backpack, you'd be able to fit this too. So thumbs up for me. I like it. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.